Folks, welcome to EDU 316005, Racism and Sexism in Educational Institutions. I am so glad to have you in the course. This is one of my favorite courses to teach. I'm the professor of social studies and history here on campus at Northern Kentucky University. I teach in the College of Education. And so this course is near and dear to my heart. I was actually, it's kind of on a personal note, in terms of institutional barriers. I'm the first African American in my department to receive tenure in the history of the department. So a lot of the things we talk about, I'll be giving personal examples. So that's just an example. But welcome to the course. A course like this, I know, brings about a lot of tension and anxiety. You know, we'll be talking about notions of privilege and racism and sexism and sexual violence, rape culture, the Me Too movement, Black Lives Matter. Those kinds of things bring a lot of anxiety to folks, and they're not ready to handle it. Well, here we are. We're going to talk about it. One of the things I want to add, and I'll say this probably repeatedly, you don't have to be defensive in a course like this. This is not a course where you want to just come with the mindset of you're going to correct everybody and school everybody and have to challenge me or debate me. I'm not here to debate you. I know people will disagree with me and some of the concepts in the class. That's fine. That's to be expected. Actually, I've been doing this for a long time. I've been doing this since I've done this most of my life. Even in elementary, I've read books and tried to form libraries and wrote things. So I've been doing this a long time. I'm not here to challenge you. I mean, I am here to challenge you, but I'm not here to prove you wrong. Let me put it like that, because this class is beyond just being right. Okay, that's really a very limited understanding of knowledge. Is I want to be right. I want to correct you. I think Facebook has really brought about the worst of that in us, that we always want to challenge people and get into Facebook debates, so-called Facebook warriors. This class is not about that, but we're going to deal with racism, sexism, and also social classism in educational institutions. But also we're going to talk a lot about how it affects society. So think of it as a philosophy course and history as well. We'll do a lot of philosophy. These are the textbooks. First we have Is Everyone Really Equal? It's backwards there. Have to figure out that technological thing there, but is everyone really equal? You get the blue one, you're going to be off, okay? So send it back if you got the blue one. You need the green one, okay? The blue one is missing some of the chapters. This is the updated version. The blue one is outdated, unfortunately, so that's not going to work for you. There are some things that are the same, but get the green one. Is Everyone Really Equal by Sensei and D'Angelo. You need this text. We'll read the whole thing. It's a sprint course. Keep that in mind. It's going to be a lot of reading, and a lot of discussion, and a lot of assignments. It's going to be a blur, 7 weeks, okay? It's designed to do that, to get it done, to get it in and out the way. The other text is by Glenn Singleton, Courageous Conversations About Race. It's a blue text. You want the updated version of this too. Make sure you get the blue one. And this is the second edition. And we're not going to read this whole thing. We're just going to do a few chapters from here that's related to the homework. But you want to start reading right now, because there's homework due this week based on the readings. But I just wanted to definitely show my face and give you an opportunity to meet me. I'm excited to have you in class. Definitely, if you want, you can add me on Facebook. There's a Facebook I've created for students, David Childs, Ph.D. Just go in the search engine and do David Childs, Ph.D. And you'll find me, and I'll add you, and I'll create a group for the course, a private group where you can ask questions. You can also inbox me if you have further questions, or we can do a FaceTime chat, whatever you want to do. I want to be as accessible as possible. I generally teach on in-person classes, so I've taught online, but not often, so there's a learning curve for me as well. Definitely you're going to have to learn some technology pretty quickly, like YouTube and everything. That's all I can think of. I'll do an introductory video just introducing myself and who I am a little bit later in the space provided. But welcome to the class. I'm excited to have you. It's awesome that you took the class. Peace out. God bless. Bye.